Howdy folks, I'm Jeff Buckley, owner and master technician at my father's shop certified auto repair, and today I'm going to show you how to manually install the Flexx Boot from Astoria 2000. Now the Flexx Boot is a replacement boot for the CV shaft, so if you have a good shaft and it just has a boot that's cracking, then you can just cut that off and get one of the Flexx Boots. So let me show you how to manually install this. Now I have this CV shaft out of the vehicle. You can do it in the vehicle, but I have it out here just for demonstration purposes. And so what we do is we have the cone, the boot, and we take some pledge. Just the household product that shines up your furniture. And what we want to do is spray this down. This is just a little bit cleaner than grease, and when we have it all sprayed down, what we want to do is go ahead and shoot some onto the inside of the cone. And now we have to determine, are we doing the inside or the outside boot? If we're doing the inside boot, this boot needs to go this way. If we're doing the outside boot, this boot needs to go this way. So what you do is you put the cone up on here and you determine, okay, I need to install it this way, which means the small end has to go on first. Now we want to take the small tip and put it on the cone here. And as we do that, just put your fingers up in there and get it started. Once you get it started, just keep on pushing. And it is a little bit of an effort, but the Flexx Boot will actually expand over, pop it back down on there. We take the cone out of the way and we just slide that back up. Now it does come with clamps, so we'll put the clamps on here, wipe this off, tighten it down, put this back in the vehicle. Like I said, this is out of the vehicle only for demonstration purposes. You can do this still on the vehicle. Well, that's the way that you manually install one of the Flexx Boots onto a CV shaft. As always, I appreciate you watching.